But now I've got you both in a room together. What do you actually think of Jake's molds?
I really like them. I think I've said this on his chats, and I'm not being not being condescending or anything. I'm just saying it. They really are they're well made, they're well thought out, and they're massive. And I think that's really important. I've got some other stuff that's thinner. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can use it and it works, but these molds, they're going to last. And when you put stuff in, especially you need to use the carrier, because that's with any silicone mold. Otherwise, especially even going into the pressure pot, or as another person has said, you wind up with banana blanks because your pressure pot is not flat. It curves, and that's what your silicone mold is going to do. But if you have the carrier, it works good. And like I say, they last. They look like they're going to last. I haven't done enough casting lately that I can say that I put a lot of miles on them, and that's mostly Jake's fault because he keeps sending me blanks. So I need to burn them.
I'm going to keep doing it too. I'm going to keep doing it as long as you want them. And way to put him on the spot, Jamie.
Yeah. And Jamie, you can get them at Northside Custom Crafts.
.com.